There are lots of metaverse projects that met its all-time high that give lots of profit to the users. But still, if you are looking for those metaverse projects that are under 0.0001, so I am here. In this video I will show you the 5 best metaverse projects which are under 0.0001. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency and recently added token. So never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in the comment section and share this video with all your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, many more. As I told you, in this video I will show you 5 best metaverse projects that are under 0.0001. However, 2021 was the time of metaverse. Metaverse was on trending. All the metaverse projects like we have Decentraland, Sandbox, X Infinity, Theta, Engine Coin. So this all metaverse projects that made its all-time high, that made a new all-time high. And you can see these projects or the metaverse projects that give 2x, 3x profit, even 10x profit to the users. If still you are looking for metaverse projects that are undervalued, so this video is for you, and don't miss the video, because in here I am going to show you and I am giving you the best metaverse projects that can make you millionaire in future. Still the metaverse trend is not finished yet. Nowadays the market is volatile, the market is bearish, so that's why you can see the whole cryptocurrencies, the whole crypto markets are down. So don't worry about that, because we hope February will be the month of bullish. Just hold your cryptocurrency and enjoy your friends, spend time your family and many more. The first best metaverse projects that are undervalued is UFO Gaming. This coin is one of the best metaverse projects in undervalue. You can see the current price is 0.4 times 0, 1417. In 24 hours the price increased 5%. This token is on Ethereum network and Solana network. The market cap is 364 million and the daily volume is 24 million. If we talk about the circulating supply, so the circulating supply is 25 billion. But let's check the price chart of UFO Gaming token. You can see on 2021, as I told you, 2021 was the time of metaverse. So on 25 November, UFO token just met its all-time high, and you can see the highest price was 0.4 times 0, 55. But after 2021, after November, as you know, December, January, the market was down. So that's why the price of UFO Gaming is just falling down day by day. But if we check in which exchange you can buy and sell this token, these are the exchanges where you can buy and sell UFO Gaming metaverse token. As you can see, this is all the centralized and decentralized exchange. If you don't have account, so make sure click on the link in description, create account on Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Bitmart and start buying and selling this token, because this token is now at the best price. If you check the price chart of UFO Gaming, this is the 4-hour time frame. If you want to know the support level and resistance level, so just check here. So the first and the current support level of this token is 0.4 times 0, 12. As you can see, this is the current support level. A few days ago the price just touched this support level and bounced back. And the second support level, if we break down this support level, so the second one is 0.5 times 0, 948, and the last and the third support level is 0.5 times 0, 656. If you are thinking to buy this token, so you can check this support level and you can just place buy order. So the resistance, the current resistance level of this token is 0.4 times 0, 1490. As you can see, the price just touched this resistance level and rejected, and now this is just in sideways and the just consolidating mode. And then the second resistance level, if we become success to break this resistance level, so the second one is 4 times 0 1828, and the third one is 0.4 times 0 2464. So this is the support level and resistance level of this token if you are thinking to buy and sell this Metaverse projects. So just take a screenshot of this chart and you can just check the support level and resistance level. The second Metaverse project in our list is Starlink, and the current price is 0.4 times 02329, and 24 hour the price dropped 3.59%. And this token is on Ethereum network, and the market cap is 232 million, and the daily volume is 12 million. The circulating supply is 9 billion, and if you check the maximum supply is also 10 trillion. The maximum supply is 10 trillion. If you scroll down, you can see the highest price of this token, or the all-time high is this token just met its all-time high on 25 November. You can see the highest price was 0.4 times 088, but now you can see the price is just falling down, and now this is on sideways. If I show you the market from where you can buy and sell this token, so you can buy this token from decentralized exchange and centralized exchange, as we have Uniswap, Get.io, OKX. So this is all the exchanges from where you can buy and sell this token. Now let's check the price chart of Starlink. This is the price chart of Starlink for our time frame, and the current support level is 0.4 times 021655. This is the current support level. As you can see, the price just touched this support level and bounce back, and the second support level is 0.4 times 017699, and the third support level is 0.4 times 013099. So this is the support level of Starlink. And if we talk about resistance level, so you can see the current resistance level is 0.4 times 025322. If we break this resistance level, so the second one is 0.4 times 030, and the third resistance level is 0.4 times 040101. So this is the support level and resistance level of Starlink if you are thinking to buy it. So make sure to check the support level and resistance level, and you can trade Starlink token. The third Metaverse project in our list is Medacoin, and you can see the current price is 0.000176, and the ranking is 919. This token is on Binance Smart Chain network. The market cap is 12 million, and the daily volume is 1.6 million. The circulating supply is 68 billion, and the total supply is 100 billion. If we check the price chart of this token, so you can see this token just met its all-time high on 2021 on November 25. You can see the all-time high, or the new all-time high price was 0.3 times 092, and after that you can see the price is just falling down and then just go up, and then now you can see the price is just falling down. As you can see from here, now the price is down. As you can see, when this token just listed on coinmarketcap.com, so the price started from this section, this position you can see, and now the price is down from this one also. If I show you the market from where you can buy and sell, so you can buy this token from LBank, PancakeSwap. From these exchanges you can buy this token, and we have Max this exchange also. So you can buy this cryptocurrency from these three exchanges. If you check the price chart of this token, so the current support level of this token is 0.3 times 017. As you can see, now this now the candle is just touching this support level, because this is the last support level of this token, and then we don't have any more data to this LBank exchange. This is the chart, price chart in LBank exchange. So the first resistance level is 0.3 times 023, and the second resistance level is 0.3 times 029, and the third one is 0.3 times 035. So this is the support and resistance level of Medacoin Metaverse project. If you are thinking to buy this token, so you can check the support level and resistance level. Be careful to buying this token. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose. I'm just showing you the best cryptocurrency. Buying and selling is at your own risk, because profit is yours, lose is yours. The second last Metaverse project in our list is Defi Degen Land. This is the symbol DDL and the ranking is 1306 and the current price is 0.4 times 02545. In 24 hours the price increased 2%. So this token is on Binance Smart Chain. If you want to buy this token, so simply copy the contract address, go to your PancakeSwap, connect your wallet, and you can buy this token on PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. The market cap is 3.7 million. The daily volume is 527,000. The circulating supply is 150 billion and the maximum supply is 300 billion. If we check the price chart of this token, so you can see this token just made its all-time high on here you can see on 3/12/2021, and now you can see the price is just moving sideways, and the price was, the highest price was 0.4 times 059, and now you can see the price is just moving sideways. Still the market is down when the bull market started. So we can see all cryptocurrencies will pump and all cryptocurrencies will go up and make its new all-time high. Let me tell you, this token is a collectibles and NFT token, gaming token, metaverse and play to earn token. I know the price is where the price is undervalued, 0.4 times 0. So that's why in this video I'm going to share with you undervalued cryptocurrency. If you purchase about $50, $100, then you can get too much quantity of the token. And then if you check the market from where you can buy and sell this token, so this token is available on PancakeSwap, CoinTiger, OpenOcean. So you can buy and sell this token on these exchanges. The last Metaverse project in our list is ClassicDoge. As you know about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, Baby Dogecoin. So here you can see the ClassicDoge, which is a Metaverse token, and then collectibles and NFT token. So the current price is 0.005647. In 24 hours the price increased 24%. The market cap is not confirmed, the circulating supply is not confirmed, but the maximum supply is 160 billion and the daily volume is 1.5 million. You can see this token is on Binance Smart Chain. If we check the price chart of this token, the highest price was, or the new all-time high price was 0.2 times 018, and this was on 20 November 2021. After that you can see the price just fall down, and then now this is on sideways, just moving sideways, and then we can see whether the price can go up or no in bull market. Now you can check, this is the all-time price chart. You can see this is the highest price, and now the price is just in sideways, and this is the current price is 0.3 times 05565. If you check the market, so you can only find this token on PancakeSwap. If you want to buy this token, simply copy the contract address, go to your PancakeSwap, connect your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, and then you can buy this token on PancakeSwap. So this was all about best 5 Metaverse projects that are under 0.3 times 01. So I hope you understand this video. I'm not a financial advisor. Before buying and selling these cryptocurrencies, make sure do your own research, and then you can buy and sell it and you can cash out your profit. So I hope you understand this video. This video is end up here. Make sure to like our video. Type your idea in the comment section. What do you think about these 5 Metaverse projects? And still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.